Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing noise pollution. It is an often overlooked but serious environmental issue. Noise pollution refers to the unwanted or excessive sounds that disrupt human and environmental well-being. With urbanization and industrial growth, noise pollution has become a public health concern. My objective today is to explain its causes, effects, and how we can mitigate it, supported by real-world examples. The key concept of noise pollution is that the definition of noise pollution is the presence of harmful or disruptive sounds levels that interfere with daily life and cause negative effects on people and the environment. The sources of noise pollution is traffic noise, which are vehicles, trains, and airplanes are major contributors. Industrial noise. Factories and machinery produce constant loud sounds. Construction noise. Equipment like drills and heavy machinery create significant noise. Community noise. Events, loud music, and urban activities add to the issue. Additional knowledge is that the measurement or noise levels are measured in decibels, or D, capital letter B. Prolonged exposure to levels above 85 dB can cause hearing damage. Common environments like busy streets, construction sites, and industrial areas often exceed this threshold, making it a frequent concern in urban settings. The effects of noise pollution is 1. Health impacts. Long-term exposure can lead to hearing loss. Sleep disturbances from chronic noise affect mental and physical health. Increased stress and anxiety are linked to constant noise exposure. Cardiovascular problems like hypertension are linked to noise pollution. And number 2 is that environmental impacts. Wildlife suffers from disrupted communication and migration patterns. Ecosystems lose biodiversity in areas exposed to persistent noise. Here are the mitigation strategies. Regulatory measures. Governments implementing noise standards of World Health Organization noise limits. Zoning laws separate residential areas from noisy industrial zones. Technological solutions. Soundproofing buildings and using quieter machines reduce noise levels. Innovations like noise-reducing asphalt help lower traffic noise. Community action. Public awareness campaigns encourage quieter practices. Designating quiet zones protects noise-sensitive environments. Here are the case studies or real-world applications in the Philippines. Vehicular noise pollution in Davao City and Legazpi City. A comparative study found that 50% of respondents in Legazpi City and 44% in Davao City experienced regular noise pollution from traffic. Common health effects included sleep disturbances, which is 30%, and anxiety, which is 40%. Noise exposure in Argao, Cebu. Research on elementary students in Argao, Cebu highlighted elevated noise levels within school environments, which raised concerns about the impact on learning and student well-being. Legal action against noise pollution. In the Philippines, environmental lawyer Antonio Oposo Jr. has led legal actions to enforce noise regulations, including a landmark case addressing noise from public events disturbing residential area. In conclusion, noise pollution is a major issue affecting both human health and the environment. Combating it requires a mix of policy, technology, and community action. Future research can improve noise models and develop better mitigation techniques, particularly through exploring the impact of emerging technologies like smartphones, smart noise monitoring system, and urban planning renovation that prioritize quieter, more sustainable city design. Further reading and discussion questions, check out the World Health Organization's guidelines for community noise and the soundscape by R. Murray's paper.